In this video, we will be testing satisfying Lego sounds. Here we go. The first satisfying sound is if you move this bush around. That's very satisfying. The next one is if you push all these pins in. That was so satisfying. Then you can get this piece and do this. That is very satisfying. You can also make this Lego button, and if you push it really fast, it makes this sound. Very satisfying. The next thing you can do is get a bunch of Lego heads and move them around. Very satisfying. Thanks for watching, and comment which one you like the best.